Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Ensure the MG Hector has a valid SIM or hotspot and an active data plan. This powers the in-car modem. Next, turn on the vehicle's infotainment and enable mobile data in settings. Once done, pair your phone using Bluetooth or plug in via USB. This speeds authentication and transfers any required carrier settings. Make sure to accept prompts on both screens. These authorize internet access so your vehicle can fetch maps, OTA updates, and streaming services. Now you configure the network inside the infotainment system. Open Network Settings, choose Wi-Fi to join a hotspot or select mobile data to use the embedded SIM, enter the APN or hotspot password when prompted. Once connected, go to Apps and enable navigation, software updates, and media streaming. These rely on a stable link. Make sure to adjust data usage limits if you have a capped plan. This prevents surprise charges. Once set, test by loading a map tile or streaming a short song to confirm connectivity. Finish by validating every service. Open navigation, check for OTA updates, and start a brief stream to confirm performance. If things lag or services don't appear, reboot the infotainment system and repair your phone. This clears temporary conflicts. Once done, verify APN settings again and ensure the vehicle's plan is active. Make sure to keep firmware updated. Updates resolve many bugs. Troubleshooting tip: if persistent failure occurs, contact your dealer to verify SIM provisioning or request a modem diagnostic. That often identifies carrier or hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.